Do you often forget birthdays or anniversaries? Your Galaxy S25 Ultra can actually remind you automatically using the calendar app. Let's check it out. First, open calendar app. Tap the three horizontal line icon at the top left to open the side menu. Then look for My Phone. Under this section, you will see two options, My Calendars and Contacts Important Date. If you enable Contacts Important Date, birthdays and anniversaries that you save in your contact app on the phone will appear on your calendar. If you turn it off, they won't show up. For example, you can keep this option on, so you will never miss a friend's birthday because it will show up in the calendar with reminders. But if you prefer a cleaner calendar, you can disable it anytime. And that's it, a quick way to make your calendar smarter with important date from your contacts. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.